What is happening? They're pulling together! What the heck was that? Whoa! Look at this! Wow! We should decorate these houses! Bet I can do it better! First, let's add some rubies. Oh yeah, I'm getting the coolest ruby walkway. Still not as good as a diamond one. Let's see. Just one diamond? Watch closely. Well, what do you say now? Huh. But you don't have a fountain like this. Ahem. You sure about that? Oh yeah? Mine will have ruby sparkles. Let me fill it up. Nice. Not bad, but diamond sparkles are better. Nothing beats that white shine. So pretty! Oh yeah? I'll have even more sparkles! Oh, we'll see about that! Whoa! That's beautiful! Come on… There! Much better. Alright, now let's add a lounger. Loungers are boring. I'm adding a slide. Ugh, gimme that! Ugh, the ugly color can stay on your side. I like it. Whoa! It's a helicopter! What's going on? It's Barbie dolls! Wow, it's so pretty here. This is the best fountain ever! Whee! I love it! Me too! Oh, you. These fountains are way too powerful! Aww. It's nice, but look at me! Yeah, we should freshen up. I've got an idea. This should work. Nice! Time for a bath. Yay! I love that! Oh yeah, this feels so good. Easy with the bubbles! I've got an idea too. And here's the bath. Perfect. Now let's fill it with diamonds. There you go. Your bath is ready. Finally! Coming! Best bath ever! Glad you like it. What's that? I want a drink too! Of course. Here you go. Oh yeah? Enjoy! Please. Whatever. Time to add a mirror. There. Time to do my makeup. I've got lipstick for you, too. And more makeup. Now let's add a dresser and a rug. Then some plants for the vibe. And a chandelier. All done. The bathroom is fully set. Cool, right? Of course! It has everything I need. We should decorate too. This will be perfect. I know exactly what to add. Oh yeah, only luxury for my doll. Now let's add some style. And finish it with this. Now that's a true diamond design. Wow! I can't wait to try it! What? A pretty doll has to take care of herself, right? Exactly. Aw, you look amazing! I'm hungry. Oh, of course. Let's build a kitchen. We'll add smoothies and juices. And more yummy stuff. Nice! Not done yet. Let's add a counter. Decorate and add food. The meal's ready! Nice! Wait for me! I need a drink. Oh, yes! Looks delicious! I'm hungry too! Then you'll need a fridge. Perfect! Let's add a stove. And some design. Now let's add a dining area. And a kitchen cabinet. Look, it's already full of food. Now a chandelier. And some cookware. Let's set the table. Plates, cutlery, flowers, and done! Wanna take a closer look? You don't have to ask twice! Like it? Oh yeah! Hey! Wanna come over? Coming! Oh, your kitchen is amazing! Thanks! I think we should share dessert with the girls. So sweet! Thank you! Good idea! Here you go, bestie! Mmm, yummy! That was fun. Oh, but I'm tired. No problem. Let's set up your living room. Wow, so many rubies! Let's add a chest for them. Now a couch. And a lamp. Just hang a ruby ball. And lights on! All done! Your living room is ready! Have a seat! So comfy! No sleeping! It's party time! So fun! I need a change. Oh, but my room is empty! Got you! Let's add a clothes rack. And a shoe shelf. And of course, some cute shoes. Now you've got options! So cool. I love it! Yay! You'll be the most stylish! How do I look? Amazing! Let me take a pic! I'm so happy! What's wrong, sweetie? Don't worry, I've got something for you, too. First, let's add curtains. And some musical instruments. There! Now you can play your violin! Awesome! It's my favorite! What's that noise? Oh my! I can't take it! Look what I've got! How about a bike ride? Yes, I love biking! Have fun! Bye! This is so fun! Whee! While she's gone, I'll add this big diamond lamp. And this basket. Let's fill it with diamonds. Add a big one on top and a rug. I need a ride too. How about a motorcycle? Whoa, that's awesome! I'm off! Whew, see ya! Vroom vroom, baby! This is so cool! Alright, I'll decorate the roof. Rubies are perfect as always. So cool! Wow! Let's try the same with diamonds. Whoa! Looks amazing! Hi there! Check out my new bike! Cool! Wanna ride home with me? Hold tight! We're here! Wow! Ta-da! Do you like it? Your house is ready! All diamonds! I can't believe it! Your house is ready, too. All rubies, just how you like it. It has everything you need. This is the best house ever! Great job!
A dash of my special sauce. Simply splendid!
Splendid? Weirdo. Let's add some color to this thing.
Oh yeah!
I can almost taste that rainbow.
Hello, sweet spillage.
What? My cake! You naughty rotten girl! And you're no better, young lady!
Hey!
Where are we?
Challenge time! Get it?
I'm so gonna win.
Oh yeah? Can you make this?
Wow.
Oh, I guess I can do this. Frosting makes everything better, right? A lot of it, that is. The key is to lay it on thick. Then spread like there's no tomorrow! Smooth as butter, baby.
Red velvet, my favorite. The perfect complement to yellow. It's giving mustard and ketchup, but sweeter, obviously. More layers, please. Just keep them coming.
Wait! I need something pretty. And what's prettier than some flowers? Gorgeous purple ones.
Ugh. You want pretty? Fine by me. Mmm.
Ew!
Mmm, delicious. In we go. Now that's what I call pretty. Especially with a touch of blue. Mmm, the perfect filling. Topped with more frosting. Duh. This thing is ready to go.
Hand 'em over! Looking good, looking good! Flowers, you're up first!
Seriously?
What about this other plain one?
Cut it.
Oh, okay! Whoa! There's a whole rainbow in here! A gooey rainbow! Oh yeah, come to Papa! Boy, is that tasty or what?
Just as I thought.
Ready?
Ready for what?
Ta-da!
I was born ready. Let's shake things up, shall we? Ooh! Which one? Which one? Ladies and gents. Whoa! Pretty neat, huh? Mmm, tastes good too. Everything's better in glitter, isn't it? This next move will blow you away. Hold on to your hats, kids. Ready, set, glitter! Bullseye! Looks expensive, right? Just wait for this next trick. So adorable, aren't they? One more. There. My candy cane cake! Isn't it great?
It is. But I'd rather walk on the wild side. In cute boots, of course. Just walking through, don't mind me. This Kit Kat, mine. Much better. Let's see the thing! Ain't she purty? Now she's even better! Don't you just love silver? It's just so shiny, isn't it? Just look at them all lined up. Topped with a little something special. It makes everything better. Even chocolate. I know, I'm brilliant.
Wow! Hey! My candy! Did you do this?
Don't look at me. See?
What? That bug?
So sweet.
You thief!
Who, me? It was her.
Yep, it was you.
I didn't really have a choice. Either way, they're ready. Hope you like chocolate. And metallic.
Save some room for glitter. In rockin' red.
Wow, these are something. Oh yeah. Make it rain. So tasty. Way to go. Next up, a big ol' slice of sparkle. This is great.
Hey! You're looking at a candy thief! Her! There!
What a tattletale!
You win this round, Red.
I didn't want it anyway.
Alrighty then. Next up, some fruit.
Fruit? Looks pretty fresh, too.
Hey, stop that!
Let's see. What do we have here? Now this is more like it. A juicy red pomegranate.
Jeez, be careful with that. Phew, thank goodness.
Sorry, didn't mean to scare ya. I'm just juicing. Isn't it rich? Doesn't get more fresh than this. Buckle up for some pomegranate chips. On a stick, that is. Now these are something else. Ta-da! And they make perfect cake toppers. I made pink ones too. And don't worry, I didn't forget the frosting. And some sparkle. I couldn't resist. Just look.
I am. Field trip! Let's see. Anything here? I've been walking forever. Yes! Found it! Give me some of that. That trek was totally worth it. Have you ever seen such natural beauty? Wow. On the top and the sides. And the big guy in the middle. Just one more thing. You ready for this? Bring on the black and blueberries! This is gonna be splendid. Just watch this. The bluer, the better. This calls for power, baby.
Woohoo!
That color is glorious! I bet it tastes good, too. Only one way to find out.
Hey, are you done yet?
Sure.
I know I am.
Isn't the winner crystal clear?
Or is it right as red?
I can't wait to find out. Wait, what is that? Spider! Gah! I'm done with that.
How? I know. Pretty genius.
You mean pretty evil.
And this, what is it?
Just lift it. Okay?
Oh, I can do that. Oh. Whoa, did you see that? Oh, how it oozes. It's kind of wonderful, don't you think? Like a work of art. Now for a taste. Oh yeah, give me that stuff. Oh wow, this is otherworldly. Just like you, winner.
Ugh, so unfair.